Hello everyone, my name is Mike and today we're going to create a Discord server from scratch. We're going to be using two different bots in this Discord, Lopez bot and Poni bot. We're using these two bots because they're very easy, straightforward, easy to set up and configure. I'm using them myself. Poni bot I'm using as like a sort of moderation fun bot, while Lopez I'm using for the reason that you can have this now live feature, which I'm going to show you later. So we're going to be making a Discord channel for my friend who recently started streaming on Twitch. His name is Emperor_Jarrow. He doesn't have any previous knowledge of how to make Discord servers. I just said I could make one for him. I thought I could make it a video. I've helped friends before. Maybe this video will help future friends, or maybe it'll just help you watching and creating your own Discord channel. And yeah, let's just start making our channel. Obviously, the thing you want to do first is click the plus sign and create a new server. His name was Emperor Jarrow, and he wanted a Imperial theme to go into his Discord channel as well. So he wanted it to be named Imperial Court. We're going to change Central Europe to Western Europe. He will set his own icon. That's none of my business. So we'll just be popped in straight to a voice channel. Just leave that. It's fine. So the first thing I like to do is we go to the server settings. I just like to have notification settings on only mentions. Moderation. Yeah, I'll turn off streamer mode so I can actually do things. Low. We have a little bit of a moderation. They have to have a verified email, right? Roles. So with everyone, don't really have to do anything. So we're gonna create roles as a members role, a trusted role, above that moderator, and also we're gonna make roles for the bots and a now live role, and then also for the admin we're gonna make a role. So we're starting off with the members role. And this is what they will get when they join and agree to your rules or whatever. He wanted it to be called peasant. Peasant. I spelled it right? Yeah, maybe. Let's make it plural. Looks better. He wanted that to be brownish. Is this brown? That's difficult to see, isn't it? That brown is good enough. I'm going to allow people to mention this because it makes it easier to set up the bots later. So we want this to be able to send messages, not TTS, easily abused. Same with links and attached files. We'll leave that for the trusted role. Mention everyone, same with that one. External emojis, add reactions, sure. Connect, sure. That's looking good. The next one is going to be the sort of trusted one. He wanted it to be called, well, obviously, nobility. Nobility. He wanted it to be light green, allow people to mention. Same things as the previous role, but since they're trusted, right, they have a bit more privileges. They are allowed to embed links. I just don't like people sending TTS. It's very easily abused. I'm gonna allow them to do all of this. Sure. I'm going to create a role for the moderators, which he wanted to be called Imperial Enforcers. I wanted them to be red because that's pretty, isn't it? Oh yeah, I forgot to do this on Nobility. I want this as well, actually. Display separately from other online members. So this is what you want your moderators to do. You can obviously customize your own colors and names. Doesn't really matter. I want my moderators to be able to manage roles and servers and channels. Kick and ban people. Their nicknames in case they have a really distasteful nickname. Manage messages. They can also mute, deaf, and move people. And that's enough, I think. I'll just throw in a bots, just because I like to have a bots one. Display this online, yes. Doesn't really have to give it any permissions. Just throw it up there somewhere. And the live, we want a live So this will be displayed when someone in your channel goes live. I'll put it above the moderators because that's just what I want it to be shown on the right, where you see the members. So it's easily visible and you don't have to give it any permissions. And then finally we do the Emperor, where he will have his admins and himself and whatever. Save changes. Oh, give his admin, I guess. Do that as well. Why not? And allow to mention. Yes. I think that is it for the roles for now. I might go back if I missed something. I don't think I have though. So for text channels, I'm going to edit this and just call it general. And sorry, I have to save this. Sure. Permissions. So this is what we're going to do. We don't want everyone to be able to see this. We want only the members role, which in our case is peasants and above, to be able to see these. So for the everyone, just press you're not allowed to read and see text channels or voice channels. Save. And then we add the peasants, and they are allowed, and they can send messages even. They can use external emojis and add reactions. We don't have to do voice permissions. I'm going to do a separate category for that. So we save that. And then we also want to add the nobility. And the nobility are able to see, they're able to send. They're also able to embed links, attach files. Mention everyone, sure. Use this, and save. That should be it for that one. I'm just gonna rename this actual text channel to main chat, because having several general things is confusing. So he wanted a couple of text channels in this one. He wanted a memes one, sure. All the permissions will automatically be synced with these ones when we create them like this. He also wanted a pictures for people who might want to post selfies or what they're doing in their day, and yeah, so just a nice little channel. And he also obviously wanted a not safe for work one. So if you want a not safe for work one, remember you have to do this. You create the not safe for work, you right click and edit channel. Then there's a little thing you have to tick here. Users will need to confirm that they are above legal age, blah blah blah. Basically it's a warning for your younger audience that might not want to join this. Yeah, do that, and now it's a not safe for work channel. And for the voice, let's just name it voice. Same here. You're not allowed to see, but peasants you are allowed to see. And then we add a bunch of you're not allowed to do that, sorry. And use voice activity, yes. And that will also mean that people above are allowed to do this, so I don't think we have to do anything more. We'll have one general voice. We'll make another voice channel called gaming, so they can speak when they're gaming. And yeah, that's about it. I also want to create a category called info, and this one I want to drag on top. And in this, actually, I'll edit the permissions first. Still, everyone, you're not allowed to do this. Just add this to all of your stuff, and you'll see why later. Save, and then I'll add peasants. They are allowed to see, but they can't send messages. This is because I only want the admins and the moderators to be able to post updates or in the going live, etc. At least that's what I do. And we'll put Imperial Enforcers, they're allowed to see and also send and manage and do all of these fancy things. And that should be it. In this info thing, we're going to create a going live text channel, updates for updates about your channel, and let's make a rules one to display any rules you might have in your channel. And this is also why the permission that the normal members can't speak in these. You don't want maybe you post your rules, then you want your rules to be the only thing shown there. So you don't want people to be able to go in and type a bunch of stuff and make it drown in a bunch of messages. Now we're going to do something that's that we use Poni for. We want to create a channel without any category. You could place it in a category, I just don't do it. We're going to call it new members. And we're going to create this. It's on top. I'm going to edit this. So basically what you want to do here is the opposite of what you've done previously. Here, everyone, they can read and send messages. But none of the other ones can. You can't. Nobility, sorry, you can't. I do want my moderators to be able to read and send. In case someone gets stuck, they don't know what to do, or someone says anything inappropriate, just so they can help, really. I don't know what that head twitch was, but never mind that. So I think that's it for roles and text channels and voice channels. Obviously you can add more of everything if you wanted. This is just what I'm making for my friend, and we've talked about whatever we wanted. So now we're going to start with adding bots. We're going to start with PoniBot. This cute little thing. And add Poni. You authorize, you select the server. We wanted to join Imperial Court. That's the channel we're making right now. Press authorize. Beep, boop, boop, beep. Confirm that you're not a robot because it doesn't like robots. It will send you a DM. You'll say, the name is this. He will create roles. You just do setup in a chat. Oh, I did forget something. That's very good of me. Now I remember, I did forget. I want to create a category for moderators. Let's just call it enforcers. Because Imperial Enforcers, make it a private category for only them. But also give permissions to the bots to read and see and send messages. That's important because within this one, we're going to create a mod chat so the mods can just chat and be happy and secretive. We want to create a bot channel. I use this to just text and set up my bots. Test different commands and stuff. I don't want to flood the main chat. We're gonna make a logs channel. Logs. Yeah, that should be all. So now I'm gonna go into my bot channel. I'm gonna do setup. Are you ready? Yes. What's the ID of our main channel? It's hashtag main chat. Send it. Log channel, just logs. Do you want to record all deleted user messages? I find this a brilliant thing. In case someone says something, but then they delete it and they're like, I never said it, you can just see it. So just say yes. Very good. So he said in one of these messages that he will create his own roles. He does this if you... So basically he creates a trusted, a member, a muted. I never really used the muted one. I have nice boys in my Discord. Sometimes. I'm going to delete muted. Member. We wanted our members to be the peasants, right? So we'll delete the members as well. And the trusted is our nobility. So we'll delete that one as well and we'll go back. Now we'll start the config. So here you have a bunch of different settings, but it's very easy to use and we're going to focus on one thing. We're going to focus on set role. You just click and add the reaction. You do the same here. So we'll start with staff. What's our staff? It's the Imperial Enforcers. Do that. And the staff role has been set. We do config again. And you continue to do this for the staff, the trusted, and the members. We're going to set the role again. This time we're going to do the trusted one. And now they are the nobility. Everyone trusts the nobility. And we'll do a final time for the peasants or the just member. I feel bad calling it peasants, but that's what he wanted. Let's see, member there. This is what they will get when they do dash agree in the new members channel. And we'll do peasants. There we go. So yeah, basically the thing with the new members one and Poni is when a new member joins your Discord, all they will ever see is this. They can't see info, they can't see general, they can't see voice, or they can't see the mod. They will only see the new members. And in here, I usually like to do use the R embed, and I will do like, welcome to the Imperial Court Discord channel. To gain access to the rest of the Discord, please type -agree. I don't know, happy face. Do you want a custom color? Let's make it red. You can also add a thumbnail. I won't, because I just won't. Easy as that. And then if you add the thumbnail, this is where it would be. This is my profile picture. And it says my name because I made it, but obviously if you make it, it will say your name. If my friend will make new ones like these, it will say his name. So when they come, they will see this message and they will be like, okay, let's type -agree. Member role is cannot be applied. It cannot be applied because I'm already the owner of this. Because in here, in the bot channel, we did add this to the member. So they type -agree and they will instantly get the peasant's role. They will be able to see things. And that's how that one works. So with the Lopez bot, what we will add is people will pop up as live up here. I'm just gonna make sure that they are able to display it separately. Yes, now they are. Now they are. So it will pop up like this. Live when they're live, and then when they're not, it won't. I'll show you an example from my own Discord. Here you can see it's incidentally the guy I'm making the Discord for, streaming. He is normally a moderator in my Discord. We went live, he popped up here, he went offline, he pops down to his normal role again. Yeah, that's basically how it works. So we are going to use this. All links for all the bots are in the description. Don't worry, we'll add this to our server. We'll add it to the Imperial Court Discord. Beep beep, boop, bop, bop, bop. I'm not a robot still, authorized. Great, he should be here somewhere. He is here. Let's give him the bot one, and let's give Poni the bot as well. I'll go to here. I think this one as a default has exclamation mark instead of a dash, so we'll do server prefs. It will provide you with a link. You click the link, and here you can do welcome messages, you could do anything like this, but we're going to focus on the live feature, which is under streamer features. Make sure this is on. You want this name here to be the same as your live role. So mine is live, I named it live because I know it's live, so it works. If you want a specific group within your Discord only to be able to get this live one, so let's say I have a role in my Discord called streamers, which I give to my streaming friends. If I only wanted those people to be able to pop up as live, I would write, let's say, streamers here. But I want anyone who streams in this channel to be able to pop up and be seen as live. So I'll just leave it as blank. Do save changes. Beautiful. And that should be it for Lopez. He joined here. You can do help. You can do a lot more with both of these bots. I'm just showing you the basics. The auto assign role for the members with Poni, and this live thing with Lopez. So the logs I told you about, this is here. You say it's Mike, those message was deleted. You can see everything that everyone does, so no one can get away with any bullshit, basically. And yes, so to wrap it all down, we're using two bots, Lopez, Poni. Lopez gives you this live when you're live and removes it when you're not. Poni makes new members. They can see this channel. Let me just remove this message. They can see this channel, they type -agree. They will be given the member role you set. For us it's peasants. They will gain access to this. And then they will be, if you want to make people trusted, I think you just do trust. And let's do myself. and now I'm a trusted member. I'm part of the nobility. How fancy. And that's just how you do it. And yeah, I hope this video has been helpful. It's not very super professionally made, the Discord or the video. It's my first time doing anything like this. If you want me to do more tutorials regarding either Discord or Streamlabs OBS or getting started on Twitch or something, tell me in the comments or anywhere on my social media or Twitch or whatever. I'll leave all my links down in the description. And if this for some reason doesn't work for you, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in my Discord or in my stream, in the comments below, just anywhere. As I said, I'll leave all my links. I'll leave the links to the bots below as well. I've done this several times. This should work. If it doesn't work, then I'll do my best to help anyone who wants help. And that's been all for me. You can catch me live on twitch.tv/itsmike though. I'm trying to do more YouTube things. I'm not really good at it. Yeah, pre-recording things, it's not my thing. I'm better live, more comfortable live. But yeah, I tried this and I hope it helped you. I hope you gained anything from this video. I'm just rambling on now. But yeah, see you around. Hope this helped and peace!